Hello everyone, Todd Fothergill back with you. Today's focus is on student competitive position. It's the second part of our core strategy integrated approach. You'll recall from the first video that the money factor gets done first. The next thing we want to do is make sure that we have a very accurate assessment of the student's profile, and we are able now to quantify that assessment with a new algorithm. What do I mean by establishing a competitive position? A quantitative piece of this involves looking at and evaluating the grade point average in college prep subjects, assessing the curriculum strength that the student has taken advantage of in his high school. So for example, has the student taken honors, AP, IB, or special type accelerated courses? How has the student done on standardized testing? And in some cases, we have students who are taking the SAT and they really should be taking the ACT. That gets modified with the qualitative factors. So extracurricular activities, leadership, work experience, and so forth can aggravate or mitigate a poor quantitative assessment. The most important piece we can show you today is that the CAP index, or the college admissions profile, can be quantified. So take a look at this quick example. A student from Burlington, Vermont with an 88 grade point average, a 3.3, taking some pretty strong course loads. If 5 is your highest curriculum strength, we have a student with 4.5. Pretty decent test scores, and you see these two numbers pop out at the bottom, 4620, 3972. We can immediately bring those numbers over and apply them to the colleges in our database, which are approximately 500 schools. You see the most selective schools on the left in red, the least selective of those 500 now, not of all schools, on the right. We drop a quick line across, or the higher bar of the two, and voila, we see immediately that it's the green schools. The 75th percentile in the green schools is being approached by this student. The 75th percentile in the blues is being exceeded, and the student would be a mid-range applicant. The yellows, the reds should probably be avoided. So by taking a quantitative approach to college selection, we're able to say, let's look at schools where you fall in the top third of admitted applicants, so you don't spend all of your time just keeping up. And if you're looking for money, who do you think gets funded? That's right, the students near the top quartile and above the top quartile at the college. Next steps, if you haven't done it, sign up for the blog and update service, schedule a consultation, take a look at our consulting services, and as always, feel free, if you haven't already, to join our online community. Thank you very much for listening. This is Todd Fothergill. I'll see you on the next video.